Hello, ladies. Hello, Varsity Bella Choir. This is Miss Charles here with Kalinka. I just want to quickly go over the beginning with you. We are all in unison. Unison means that we all sing together, and we are learning this on words. Once we get to the ah, you will be in two parts, and we will go through that in sectionals. But let's learn that melody from the beginning. And remember, this symbol is a fermata. Fermata, it's like that bird's eye, okay? And it means to hold until I bring you in. So let's try it. Ka is your first note. Ready? And breathe. Kalinka, Kalinka, Kalinka Maya, Saduya Goda Malinka, Malinka Maya. Hey! Kalinka, Kalinka, Kalinka Maya, Saduya Goda Malinka, Malinka Maya. So that's your part. Please make sure to practice this video over and over so you get that melody. Tomorrow we will learn the soprano and the alto part, but keep looking in your fall concert for more teaching and learning videos so you can get your music all learned. The fall concert is going to be at the end of October, so we got to be ready. You can use this video as many times as you want, but happy practicing.